हेलो एवरीवन। डिस्कस कर रहे हैं आज अपन ईएसआई फार्मासिस्ट पेपर 2016 को जो कंडक्ट हुआ था। एक और पेपर जो है वो मैंने अपलोड कर चुका हूं मैं। वो पेपर जो है वो मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट का है, ये पेपर इवनिंग शिफ्ट का है। ओके, तो जैसा कि आप जानते हैं एक एक क्वेश्चन को मैं लूँगा और उसका आंसर मैं बताते जाऊँगा। अगर आपको किसी भी क्वेश्चन में कन्फ्यूजन हो रही है तो आप कमेंट में उस क्वेश्चन को लिख कर मुझे भेज सकते हैं, मैं आपको उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन भी दूंगा। ओके, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अबाउट द फर्स्ट पास्ट इफेक्ट ऑफ द ड्रग? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द आंसर इज सी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, which of the following phase of clinical trial of drug ethical clearance is not required? Question number 2, the answer is D, phase 4. Question number 3, km value indicate the 3, answer is D, affinity. Question number 4, which of the following show the first pass metabolism? Answer is A, propranolol. Next question number 5. Question number 5, pharmacovigilance is used to 5, the answer is A, monitoring the drug toxicity. Okay, pharmacovigilance is a monitoring the drug toxicity. Question number 6, what quantity of 95 weight volume by volume and 45 volume by volume alcohol are to be mixed make 800 ml of 65 volume of volume alcohol? Question number 6, the answer is B. Next 7 number question, the role of borax in cold cream. 7, the answer is C, in situ emulsifier. Question number 8, the purity of water can assist determination one of its following property instrument. Question number 8, the answer is D. Question number 9, which of the following is commonly used building agent the formation of freeze dried low dose drug product? Question number 9, the answer is B, mannitol. Question number 10, which of the following filter cannot be used for preparation of tablet for amine containing drug to avoid discoloration of tablet? Question number 10, the answer is D, lactose. 11 number question, the Stevens-Johnson syndrome is the most common adverse effect associated with, as we know that, sulfonamides. Next question number 12, in gas chromatography some of the sample need to derive in order to. Question number 12, the answer is A, volatility. Question number 30, the artemisinin contain the following group of structure. The answer is A, endoperoxide. Question number 14, streptomycin cannot be given orally for treatment of tuberculosis because. 14, the answer is D, it is not absorbed from GIT. Important question. Question number 15, which of the following is a not ex officio member of Pharmacy Council of India? Question number 15, the answer is D. Next 16, eugenol is present in. The answer is B, tulsi. 17 number question, ginkgo biloba is used for. The answer is D, antidepressant activity. Next question, 18 number question, quassia wood is adulterated with. The answer is C, Cassia angustifolia. Next question, 19 number, the given antibiotic is an example of 19? The answer is D, rifampicin. Next 20 number question. The amount of barberine present of aloe vera. 20 number question, important question. The answer is D. 21 number question. The Drug and Cosmetic Act rules was schedule relating GMP. So schedule GMP for schedule M. The answer is A. 22. The heating agent used in hand cream. Healing agent, sorry. 22. The answer is A, soft paraffin. 23. The boom strand is used to check the quality of gelatin. The answer is D. Next question. Which of the following is a deflocculated and flocculated जो सस्पेंशन होते हैं उसके बारे में ये क्वेश्चन है. तो which of the following the flocculated agent for the negativity charge drug? 24. The answer is A, aluminum chloride. 25. The thioglycolic acid like compound have application in following type of cosmetic formulation. 25. The answer is A. 26. Google lipids are obtained from. 26. The answer is A. Next 27. Nicotinic action of acetylcholine is blocked by. 27. The answer is D. 28. The selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor. It is a antidepressant drug category. The answer is C, fluoxetine. 29. The triterpenoids are active constituent of. The answer is D, Brahmi. Next 30 number question. The counter current is used to determination of. 30. The answer is D, particle size, surface area, particle size and particle volume. 31. Drug in suspension S and semi-solid formulation always degrade by. The answer is C, zero kinetic order. Next 32. The nail polish following polymer is used to film forming. 32. The answer is A. 33. In improvement memory in Alzheimer's disease, the brought about by the drug which increase the transmission. The answer is A, cholinergic receptor. 34 number question. Which of the following is a plasmonium activator? 34. The answer is B. 35. Which of the following drug does not act as a G protein coupled receptor? The answer is B. 36. Which of the following drugs is not a typical antipsychotropic agent? 36. The answer is C. 37. The identification of drug which is not used in treatment of malaria is caused by the Plasmodium falciparum. The answer is A, artemisinin. Next 38 number question. In the chemical behavior, morphine alkaloids is. 38. The answer is B, basic. 39. The synthesis of urea take place executively. The answer is B. 40 number question. The metabolism of spironolactone is. B. Answer is B. 41 number question. The starting material of synthesis of allozopromam. The answer is B. 42. A wild acceptance of detector electron for the measurement of 42. The answer is B. Glass electrode. 43 number question. A new drug delivery system in which the composed of the phospholipid the spontaneously from the multi-layer and concerned biliary vesicle in layer aqueous medium. The separately is liquid layer is the 43. The answer is B. Lysosome. 44. Thanalite used in the form of solution flame photometry because it's undergo. 44. The answer is C. Nebulizations. 45. The isoniazide is a primary anti-tuberculosis agent. 45. The answer is A. Next, 46 number question. The mechanism of action. This is 46 number question. The mechanism of action of cells. The answer is 46 A. 47. Which is the reagent used for diazotizations? Important questions. 47. The answer is A. Next, 48 number question. The mechanism of antiparasitic agent. The mebendazole is a thiabendazole involved, and thiabendazole is involved. The 48. The answer is A. 49. A5-HT receptor agonist used in migraine. The answer is A. 50 number question. The reaction material that form the hydrophilic matrix table. The answer is A. HPMC. 51. The schedule in Drug and Cosmetic Act deal the requirement of guideline and clinical trials important manufacturing of new drugs. The answer is D. Next question, 52. The correct non-ionic surfactant used as a penetration enhance the preparation of the mucoadhesive. The answer is B. Twin 80. 53. An agent used the prism metal angina has spasmodic action of the increase the coronary blood artery. 53. The answer is A. Next, 54. Unless the otherwise the starting of the involve the monograph of pharmacopoeia in the disintegration entire coating tablet, first the dissolution carried out in 54. The answer is C. Water. Next, Lycopodium spore, the method can be used to find out the percentage of purity in crude drug containing. The answer is B. Well-defined particle width can be counted. 56 number question. The spinal cord, if infant, extend up to the level of. The answer is D. Lower border L3. 57. The lower border scapula is the level of 57. The answer is D. 58. The length of adult trachea is. The answer is B. 59. The coronary seams open into. The answer is B. Next, 60 number question. The longest vein in the human body. Answer is D. Next question, 61. The color vision by sorry, the color vision by answer is B, cones. 62 number question number. The receptor of pain, the answer is D, free nerve ending. 63 the BMR depend upon, the answer is B, surface area. Next 64 number question. The site of ADH action is, the answer is D. 65 the partial cell secretes, answer is D, intrinsic factor. 66 the answer is which of the following drugs specially intact the selenium in the advent of T lymphocytes, the answer is D. Next 67 which of the following drug act including the lipocorticoids, the answer is 67 the answer is A, glucocorticoids. 68 V1 receptor are associated with, the answer is D. Next 69 number question. Which of the following should use continuously in patient is sulfur drug allergy, the answer is D, furosemide. 70 number question. The Mentendin is used in clinical setting, the answer is C, both anti-Parkinson and anti-influenza drug. It is important question, amantadine. Next 71 number question. The drug of choice of malaria in pregnancy, as we know that A, answer chloroquine. Next 72 number question. The tocolides are a drug which are used for 72, the answer is C. Next 73 number question. The sulfur drug are associated with, the answer is D, Stevens-Johnson syndrome and hematologic anemia. Next 74 number question. The chloroquine can be used all except, the answer is B, IBS. Next 75 number question. Sitagliptin is A, the answer is B, DPP4 inhibitor. Getafloxacin has been withdrawn from because, 76 the answer is D, hyperglycemia earlier. Hyperkalemia 77 is associated with all except, the answer is D, diuretic. Next question. Warfarin is absolutely contraindicated in 78, the answer is A. 79 number question. Which of the following N non-reuptake is a रिवर्स रेट्रोवायरस जो है उसके ड्रग के बारे में है, तो आंसर हो जाएगा इसका बी, एबाकावीर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 80 नंबर क्वेश्चन. द मेंसा इज यूज्ड टू cyclosporin is, answer is C, the prevention of the hemorrhage cysteine. Next question 81 number question. The pentoxifylline is used as, answer is D, both. 82 number question. The sildenafil act by inhibiting the answer is B, PDE5. 83 number question. The Redman syndrome is associated with the following drug. The 83 the answer is A, vancomycin. 84 the sodium valproate is used as C, both mood disorder and epilepsy. Next 85 the ganciclovir is used as A, CVM rentis. Next question 86 volume of distribution is high with, 86 the answer is B, 87 number question. Drug associated with the Pseudomonas chlorotis is answer is B, vancomycin. Next 88 number question. The paradoxim is used of organophosphorus poisoning, and one another drug is also used in the organophosphorus poisoning is a atropine. Atropine and oxime are used in organophosphorus poisoning. Next 89 number question. Answer is C. False statement regarding the first order cantonic drug, first order kinetic drug. The constant amount eliminated in unit time. It is a zero kinetic order. Okay. Next 90 number. The loading dose drug 90. The answer is A, volume of distribution. 91. Which of the following is electrolytes? Answer is C, potassium chloride. Next 92. Chemotherapy agents are also known as 92. The answer is A, antineoplastic. 93 number question. The codeine different structure from the morphine. 93. The answer is D. 94. The chloroquine is anti-malaria drug belong to class of A, 4 aminochlorines. 95 number question. The penicillin on hydrolysis with alkali gives 95. The answer is A. 96. Which of the titration pure metal are used in standard? The answer is D, complex formation titration. 97. The sulfur drug are treated by which of the titration? The answer is A, diazotization. 98. The oxidation of galactose with the concentration HNO3 yields. The answer is A, 99. The synthesis urea take place. The answer is A, 100 number question. The starting material of the amitriptyline is. The answer is A, phthalic anhydride. Next 101 number question. 101. Name of the purpose कैपिटल ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश। तो यहाँ से जो है ये क्वेश्चन जो है ये जीके के क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट हो गए हैं। ठीक है, ओके गाइज, यहाँ से जो है जीके के क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट हो गए हैं। तो यहाँ तक अपन ने डिस्कस कर लिए हैं सारे आंसर के साथ क्वेश्चंस। ठीक है, तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस यही रहेगी अपनी, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन अटेंड करेंगे। तो अपन देख रहे हैं जितने अपने पेपर सॉल्व किए, कुछ एक जो क्वेश्चन जो है वो हूबहू रिपीट हो रहे हैं और कुछ एक क्वेश्चन जो है वो मतलब उसी टॉपिक से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है, बस थोड़ा सा घुमा के हुए उसमें पूछा हुआ है। तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एग्जाम में आए हुए क्वेश्चन को अपन सॉल्व करेंगे तो इट माइट बी हेल्पफुल इन योर एग्जामिनेशन टू क्लियर ए फार्मासिस्ट एग्जामिनेशन। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच गाइज, प्लीज़ लाइक, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much.